He worked as a product head with the last 8 years with this department, and I work as a product specialist. So, Mr. Mushai, thanks for joining this webinar and assist for our attendees for the future assistance. So, can we wait for 2 minutes so all the attendees can join this? And I'm welcome all the attendees who are right now with us. Samir, I'm welcome you. Samantha, Noman, Afaq, I'm welcome to all of you. And you give us really good time. All right. So just wait for 2 minutes. Thank you. Welcome, Vakas.
Okay, so I think we are on the time and we can start, I think.
Yeah, sure. So again, I'm welcome to all of you, and thanks for your time to joining this webinar that hold by like Yellowsoft. So my first question, why we are here? So you all are belong to a taxi business service, all right, and you are all are providing a taxi service solution and provide the facility to the customer. So the main question is how you can run your business, all right, and which key factor is important. All right, so there is three key factors very much important for the taxi business. One is feature, one is benefits of that, and costing. The three things are very much important for this taxi business. All right, so yes. So today's discussion point is we are giving you overview about the taxi dispatch solution, various business kind of models, and which things are important and which features are important for the business model, benefits of features to the different models, role of money of these features, and after that we are welcome to your all suggestion. If you have any suggestion, then we are welcome to all of you. So first thing is all demand taxi business. So right now we are on an era where we all are using the application. Before that, we are following the traditional system where the customer need to call the like call center, or they need to send a message to the WhatsApp or Facebook or any kind of social media or any kind of communication channel. All right. Then what happened? The call center person can pick up the call, and after that they will send it to the message, or send again they call to the driver and assign the ride. They have to tell everything on a call, like pick up location, drop off location, all the pricing. All right, so everything should be manual. All right, and it takes such a long time. Right now we are in this era, all right, where we are using the application, all right, where everything is automatically. All right, like customer is sending customer just need to enter the pickup and drop location, and the driver get notification of all these things. So now the time is changed, and that's why we are here. All right, so taxi booking application is undoubtedly an excellent idea for the startup business. All right, I think so you all are agree about these things. All right, so I'm just giving you one idea about on-demand taxi business solution, and why it's easy for the customer and also the easy for the provider. All right, so there is a few points there. It's easy for the customer because customer no need to call frequently to the call center, no need to send a message or email or any communication channel. Second, customer has a real-time track for the car. So whenever car is available, customer see that in application the where car is available. All right, or even the timing also. All right. Third, easy to connect the driver. If they want to connect the driver, they directly chat with the driver, and for the application, they directly call to the driver also. Fourth, easy to pay. There are options for the wallet option, also there is cash option also, and pay by card or payment integration. So there's lots of options available for a customer payment facility. All right. And also the provider get all kind of reports with the help of the admin panel or with the help of the admin dashboard or software. They will get all the reports that how many rides they do for the last 3 months, last 4 years. It's customized the range, and they can see all the details about the report. Even they can see the cancellation report also, driver earning reports also. All right. Also the customer feedback report also. So all the reports are available for the provider, so they will get to know about their business also. All right. So even they can interact with the driver if there is like bad like feedback for the customer. They can interact with the driver and they can improve their service also. All right. Easy to manage. It's very easy to manage with the application, and they are, I'm definitely sure about these things that with the help of application they will grow more and more. All right. So decide the solution. There is lots difference to operating business with a different scenario to make. The first step to decide which solution should be choose. The most important thing, which solution you have to choose. All right. Because it's not like that you can invest the money and you can go any solution without knowing any features or without knowing which kind of solution or which kind of business you want to do. All right. So first is a ride hailing business. It's kind of Uber kind of business. All right. Second is a limited specific customer with a premium service and most of a dispatch. All right. It's like on demand. All right. Or pre-booking. All right. Third is specific route travel like airport transfer. All right. So you want to do airport transfer business, or you want to do corporate transfer, hotel transfer business. So you have to in mind that which kind of business you want to do. All right. And the last thing is provide the service to timely base for like a rental service. All right. Like customer can book a car or taxi for a particular time. All right. Like 4 hours, 5 hours as per the customer requirement. All right. So as we talk about the hailing system, like a Uber kind of system. All right. So as a hailing, the customer is anymore and deals with the multiple bookings. All right. Smart service assignment algorithm is needed. All right. Smart reporting system, as I already discussed, that smart reporting system is needed about these things. All right. Scalable system. What do you mean by scalable system? I think so. If you are using the application, all right, then at the particular time you are getting at a particular time you are getting thousands of requests at one time. Then definitely you need a scalable system. It's not like that if you are getting 100 of or 1,000 of ride at a like right at one time. All right, then your system will be crash. All right, that's require a scalable system. All right, best UI for the application access by customer. So that meaning the customer can use your application, and it's very friendly application when customer can register very easy way. Not like that they are like entering the details continuously. They're entering the details and they are like fed up for everything. All right, and they can stop doing these things. All right. Yes. Yes. After that, interact more customer by referral. All right. There is a different kind of program where you can just connect with a customer. All right. Like provide a referral program, reward program, promo code. All right. So with help of this, you can just connect with a customer. All right. And you can just get a more installer or more downloader on an application. All right. Third thing is easy to registration. So it depends. It's on both of side. It's on a driver side also, and it's on a customer side also. So once they can install application, they will find a really easy way to register on your platform. All right. It's not like that they are getting continuously OTP. They need to enter the OTP every time, and then they can just register on the system. They have a very easy way to register. Right. Easy driver onboarding. It's same like for a driver side also. They can register with your system on very easy way. All right. And it's very friendly for the driver also. All right. So they can easily register with the system and use your application on an easy system. Okay. The next is dispatcher must have below features. All right. So easy to dispatch the ride for the specific driver. All right. You can do a manual booking. All right. You can do pre-booking also for dispatcher rides also. Cellular booking to give a prior attention to the assigned driver. You can assign the particular driver to particular ride. All right. So the schedule booking is also available. Multiple dispatcher account to be able to dispatch. Easy pay later options or frequent customer. If the customer are using your application continuously, they are your frequent customer, and there are options for to pay later also. So the customer can pay after some time for the ride also. And even the wallet system is there. All right. After finish of the ride, the money is directly deducted from the wallet. All right. So specific discount and charge can be applied for while booking. There are specific discount is available for a frequent customer. You can provide a discount to your customer as per your requirement. All right. Also for the admin panel, it's easy to book. All right. So there are pre-booking or now booking, later booking, recurring booking. There are features available on admin panel where you can book a ride for your customer, and also the multiple booking sources available for the dispatcher also. Yeah. Features are required for the airport transfer, right? So if any customer want to do a particular airport transfer business, then these features are very much important, like a kiosk, right? I'm giving you example of kiosk. Kiosk is the big version of tablet with a stand where you can put on airport. So if any visitor comes to the airport, might be they don't know about this thing, which application or which cab or taxi service available in your country or in your area. All right. They no need to install the application. They directly book the ride with the help of kiosk. They just need to enter the drop-off location, all right, and they can book a ride from directly help of kiosk. The next is queue system. Queue system is very much helpful for the airport transfer. With the help of queue system, the every driver get a benefit to get a ride. Also, like proper allocation for the ride also with the help of queue system. Token system. Token system, that means whenever the customer book a ride, they will get a one token number. That token number they need to provide to the driver, and driver just enter that token number on the system and they can start the ride. That's called a token system. Auto pickup. Auto pickup, that means that customer can a facility for the auto pickup. They no need to wait for the driver. They just go to the proper location and the driver is available for the ride. So next is corporate transfer. So I give one example, like a bank, like IT businesses or any businesses who want to provide a facility for their employee for pickup and drop facility. All right. So for that, we are providing a proper corporate transfer solution for that business. So that particular company will contact with a provider so they can provide a corporate transfer business. For the corporate transfer, we have proper corporate panel where the corporate business can get their own admin panel for the book the ride. All right. They have maintained the employee details from the panel. They can enter all the details from the admin panel and they can see all the details about the employees also. All right, who are registered with the system. Schedule ride for the employee. They will get their own admin panel. With the help of admin panel, they can book a ride for their employee. Also, they have authority to approve the ride. If any employee book a ride, the admin can have authority to accept the ride. So there is no chances of misusing your service or misusing your corporate transfer solution. All right. Even after a month or after a year, as per your requirement or as per the deal with the provider and the corporate business, the person can generate the invoice for the payment. All right. And see the employee request also. From the admin panel, they can see that how many requests are sending by their employee, and they can calculate from the help of that. Yeah. The most important thing is pricing. All right, that's the most important thing for any person who are want to start their own business. All right. So for a taxi development, there is a two kind of business model is there. One is SaaS based model, and second is source code. All right. So what is the meaning of SaaS based model? So SaaS based model is something like that where we can host your data on our server. We can provide you all the facility for the technical assistant. We are become your technical partner. All right. And after that, you have to, it's based on the subscription base. All right. So you do not need to worry about any kind of technical things like upgrade your application, update your feature, installing your application on a Play Store, Apple Store. So we are become your technical partner for the future. All right. So that's called a SaaS based solution. So for the SaaS based solution, it's a base of subscription based solution. All right. It's a one time setup fee. So one time setup fee, that means you have to pay only one time for the lifetime. And after that, you have to pay for the monthly subscription plan as per your requirement. Third, white label solution with your brand and logo. That means we can install your application with your brand and your logo. It seems like it's made by you, not made by our company. It seems like it's your application. Right? You are owner of the application. All right. And other thing, pay as you model. All right, pay as you go model. That means after getting a ride, after earning, you have to pay a monthly charges after finish of the month. That's called a pay as you go model. You will get some rides after getting some money for your rides, and after that you are paying for the subscription. All right. Benefit for the SaaS based solution, it has a small budget as compared to source code. All right. So it's ready to ease in the market because it's a small budget, so you can easily enter to the market, and you can get to know after some time that how many rides you are doing, or you are achieving your goal. All right. So that's very much easy for the SaaS based solution. Maintenance and lifetime supports is available. You do not have to worry about these things because the company is handling your application or technical issue or any future guidance. We are always happy to help you. Technology upgrade and scalable and secure. We are update a new technology every time. We are update your application with a new features or a new technology using a new languages and everything. All right. So technology upgrade is scalable and secure with a SaaS based solution. Yeah. So next is budget and time. All right. So as I told you that SaaS based solution and in-house, that's called a source code. All right. So initially budget for the SaaS based solution is starting from 3K to 5K between that. All right. And if you want to go for in-house, then the budget is 50K to 200K. Why? Because in that scenario, you have to maintain everything by yourself. You have to hire the person, you have to manage your employees, you have to pay for that. All right. That's why the pricing is too much high for the in-house system. All right. Time to come to the market. All right. It's a already customized application. It's easy to come to the market within within 1 or 2 months. All right, you are in the market. All right, but in an in-house system, it's take a long time because we have to hosting your data on your server. You have to manage everything by yourself. So it's like a long period for a startup business as a source code. Developer, you no need to hire the developer in a SaaS base because we are doing everything for you. But in an in-house, you have to like 6 developer on your side, like managing your server, second Android application or iOS application management, or if you want to upgrade any features or something or any update for application, you have to hire the person for this and you have to pay for this. So that's why in-house solution is costly. Server costing is no needed because we are paying server costing, and because we are hosting your data on our server, that's why we are paying to them. And for in-house, it's required for 1K to 10K depending on of your usage. All right. Infrastructure and maintenance, no need to worry about in a SaaS based solution. And for the in-house solution, need highly expertise team to maintain your server. or to maintain your whole system. The next is how you can save the costing. So, as I already discussed with you, there is different kind of solution is available, like hailing, dispatch solution, corporate solution, and airport transfer. So this different kind of costing is there. So if you want to go for ride hailing like a Uber kind of business, then definitely is it's take three application is needed. One is customer application, driver application, and admin panel to look all the like activities of the driver, set up pricing, reward referral program. So that's why the admin panel is needed. So costing is between bit high for a 4,000 USD to 6,000 USD. If you want to go for dispatcher solution, then a cost you require only driver application and admin panel. You don't need a customer application because it's for this solution the customer can call you or they can message you on a WhatsApp. You can directly or they can mail you. You can book from the admin panel and the ride is directly assigned to the driver. So the driver app and admin application is needed, and that costing is 25 to 30% less than the hailing solution. Next, a corporate transfer solution. In a corporate transfer solution, you need only corporate panel and driver application. Corporate panel is needed to book a ride and see all the activities of your employees. That's why the corporate panel is needed. So if you book a ride directly help of the corporate panel, the ride is directly assigned to the driver. That's why you no need for the customer application. So that's why it save your cost for 30 to 40% as compared to the other ride hailing solution. Next is the airport transfer. In airport transfer, you know no need for like customer application because in airport solution most of visitor are coming, so they are directly book the ride with the help of kiosk. So you have to just buy a kiosk, and for the driver application with the help of kiosk they directly book a ride, and it's assigned to the driver. That's why it's not required for custom application. So only two application is needed for the airport solution. So it save your 40% percent of your costing saving is there. So this is the thing how the business is working. Yeah. So guys, you have any questions or something? Please. And Mr. Mushahid is also here. So Mr. Mushahid, can you just guide us a little bit idea about the business and everything?
Sure, sure.
Thank
So,
you.
anyone is having any questions? So, basically, I just want to include few things over as Smith has already explained. So,
Hi, George. Yeah.
yeah, hi, George is having something, I think.
Yeah.
Uh, the taxi booking app be customized? Yeah, it can be. We have one question. First of all, can the taxi booking app be customized? Yes, of course, it can be customized. But as you're going into SaaS, it can be customized, but in a way of the product roadmap. Maybe the way is different, but the functionality will always be covered. And we are always doing the customization. And we do have almost all the clients are having customization we have done already, and they are doing pretty much good business on that part as well. And the process is that we just first understand what is the requirement, how the business is being impacted, okay, and then we made our customization. Even there may be, I mean, there may be the case that they require some X thing, and we give them the X plus Y as well, okay. So yeah, that's the thing. Yes, George, I think you do have any question.
And even the pricing is depend on the customization also. If you have more customization and something, then the pricing is different. Yeah, definitely, yes.
Yeah, actually, in SaaS-based solution, the uh, yeah, in the SaaS-based solution, the Google Maps pricing will be on the customer. But yeah, what we do is we assure that you get the very minimum cost. And just for your information, most of our 80% clients are getting zero Google billing because Google is providing monthly 200 USD for free, and we are using the Google API in an optimized way that our customers don't get much cost for the Google billing. Okay, and specifically in the dispatch solution. So yeah, I mean almost all the client are getting zero billing. So no need to worry on the Google parts as well.
Yes. I think we got
I think
recording, voice recording.
can't speak any option.
You can just write it down your
Yeah.
question.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes, yes. Hello?
Can you
Hello.
hear me?
Yeah, we can
Yes, I.
hear you.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear.
Hello?
We can
Can you
hear
hear
you.
me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello?
You can type it here. George, you can type it here.
Okay. George is from
Yes.
Kerala, doing taxi booking services. Okay, that's great. How can I enter in the taxi booking app? So it's very much easy. I mean, as you said, we are providing a solution for the customers just like you. Probably if you see here over here right now, if you want to buy a complete whole solution for your business, it will be very much costly. So what we do is we do understand your requirement. We do provide you the panel, okay, by some setup based on your requirement, and then later on will be you'll have your own panel to log in. You'll have your own panel to add your drivers, to add your customers. Along with that, we will be providing you the customer application as well as driver application that will be uploaded on the Play Store. So you can ask your customers to download the application as well. Okay, that is one thing. Now, if you do have your existing customer data and existing driver data, then too you don't need to worry. We'll provide you the specific format. We'll be getting that data and putting it on the system. So you don't need to even enter the whole customer data and everything into the system. So it's very easy to enter into the market using the application. It's not a big deal. It have any security measures?
Security
Yes,
measure.
of course. Yeah, we do care. We do take care on the security part very much. Even though if I want to enter into the server right now, I'll not be able to enter to the
Now
market.
the
Any
Uber and
space for
Ola
it?
fully capture the
See,
market.
see,
It's
Uber
for
and
us.
Ola is having the different thing. Okay, if you are comparing yourself with Uber and Ola, it will never work. They have the different market, and you do have the different market. For example, if I'm going to the, let's say, Kerala, okay, so if I'm coming to the Cochin airport, okay, and I request for the Uber, okay, is it necessary that Uber will always be available nearby the airport? And even though if I get the request, okay, if I get the driver and driver is not coming, then to whom I'll be complaining? Nobody is there. That's the reason there is a space for the provider who do the premium service for their customer. In very big cities, there is always a provider like you who are available, and they have their premium customer. They are charging a bit more than the Uber and Ola, but they give the premium service. They give the confirmation to client, and client is also be aware that okay, if I'm requesting for the ride, then it will always be available. Tomorrow I'm coming to Cochin and I'll be calling you that okay, I'll be landing at 7 p.m. So I'll need a car. So you will be assuring that okay, the car will be available for me, of course. The same case is not there for Uber and Ola. That this is the space for you to enter into the market, and that's we call it as a dispatch solution. I hope you understand the thing. as it says, okay, let's say the okay, let me first inform there is a one question coming from Nancy that okay, in your presentation save 25 to 30% cost as in dispatcher business. Okay, so how we can save this cost? Okay, so as you know that as Smith has already explained that the healing business, you will need a certain feature like customer app, like say reward system to retain your existing customer. You will need a referral system. By that, you can increase more customer because in healing system, you need to have more and more customer day by day. Where in dispatch solution, you don't need to focus to gain more customer because the customer base is already there for you. So what you can do is you don't need to go for the reward and reward or referral feature. You don't need to go for the customer app. You just need to focus on the admin panel as well as for the travel app. And hence the cost will be decreased as you are getting the less feature that will work for you for your business model. And hence you can reduce the cost by 25 to 30 percentage over there. I hope this thing is clear for you now. After please call or WhatsApp. Of course, we'll be giving you the detailed description on the discussion. I will be
Sure,
going on a
definitely.
detailed
Yes.
discussion for sure.
I think George is typing. Yep. About the server, if 1 lakh customer is registered in the app, what type of server is required?
See, we are on the SaaS-based solution, so our server is one. And just for your information, we do have more than 1 million customer right now on our system. And I can damn share, and I can give you the commitment on that part. Within the next second, you'll be getting the response for whatever the action is. This is how our server is built up. And just for your information, we have given, I would say, 3 to 4 years just to build that kind of a architecture only, so that even though today 1 million customer is there, tomorrow if there is a 1 billion customer is there, then too response should be there within the next second itself. And that is how we have built our architecture. We do have around 5 to 6 databases. Okay, we do have transaction layer, we do have reporting layer. These all things are different just to make system smooth. It's depend on the what features you are requesting, Mr. George. Though we will be checking, we'll be after this call, we'll be connecting with you. We'll be seeing okay, how many trips you are doing and which plan you will be suitable for you. Based on that, the cost per year will be decided. So for sure we'll be connecting you for that. What type of cap should I use if I use your app solution? What type of cabs? So see, first of all, we are not providing the application or solution. Okay, we are not the one who is engaging with the end customer who is using the application. We are providing the solution to the owner of the taxi solution. Okay, so it's depend on the owner what kind of services they want to provide to their customer. And in our system they can add n number of services like say, sedan, mini, micro, whatever is there. Okay, along with that, in our solution you can have the rental, then the rental solution, dispatch solution, hailing solution, everything is there. Okay, RK Singh is typing something. Guys, please be here because we are already running out of our time, and we had 30 minutes of webinar, so we are already getting up on the time. So very sad that no speaker facility. Uh, I'm extremely sorry for this part. For sure, we have taken this feedback on a sincere level, and for the next webinar, we'll be inviting you and we'll be giving you the opportunity to have the speaker as well. For sure, I'll be taking care on this part. Yes, I know customer app is not required in the dispatcher business, but my question is how we reduce the cost if we buy your solution. See, hailing solution is having the customer, driver, and if the customer is not app is not there, then obviously the solution cost will be decreased. In this way, you'll be able to save the money.
RK Singh have questions for there are so many SaaS-based taxi software provided globally. Then why should we go with you?
That's very good question. So there is a lot of SaaS-based company solution providing, okay, but we are mostly focused on the part of the I would say infrastructure, on the part of the customer solution. I'm giving you the bet right now that if you are going to the any solution provider, if they are accepting a single line of customization or not, if they accept, then let me know. I'll be happy to know that because we have built our system in a way that whatever the customization are there, we can accept and we can integrate into our system. But the other SaaS provider have made their system that is working fine, but they will not be able to adapt any more customization due to their infrastructure build, and that is the plus point of us. And more on that, we are focusing on the customer solution, customer success rather than our own success, because in SaaS based solution, you know that if the customer is getting success, then only we will be getting the success, because if we don't have any customer, then we'll be also doing no business. So that's the
Correct.
reason our main focus is on the customer, and our system is built in a way that it can adapt anything.
So our policy is if you are growing, then and then we are growing. Definitely yes.
I hope after saying this is clear to you. Okay, any more questions are there? So, okay, thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Arki. I think we don't have much questions. So thank you. Okay, George is typing. Let's wait for him. See you later.
Sure, George.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. We'll be happy to connect with you, George. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and
Thank you,
thank you for
everyone.
giving an opportunity to present the things to you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye.